Um, but the injuries over here is what kind of like changed my life, changed the way I look at it, changed the way I walk life, changed the way I speak on certain things. I'm very aware, should I say? Um, you know, those injuries really took a toll on me because it never happened before. And at the end of the day, I was down on myself about it, but it really changed my life for the better. And I couldn't have done it with not only my family, but the guys in the building, the ladies as well, just helping me out, keeping me calm and talking to me, letting me express my feelings, because I think that's what it's about. When you can express your feelings and get it off your chest, have other people see where you're coming from. That's where you can have clarity. So yes, I have been working on myself on and off the field, and I'm gonna continue to get better. But like I said, man, I'm in a different place in life, and I'm happy. I'm beyond happy.